could tell you about the industrial Internet of Things and how moving data seamlessly between your operations and IT systems can impact your business positively. But you already know that stuff, because you've already listened to endless presentations on predictive maintenance, energy management, supply chain optimization, and all those other bright and shiny things that are going to make you money, save you money, or allow you to meet regulatory compliance and stay out of jail. I know you get all that. Trouble is, no one can show you how you can actually do it given you have legacy SCADA and control systems that you can't mess with because they're running your business. If they stop, then your process stops, and if your process stops, so does your revenue. Added to that, the systems are old, they can be a bit cranky, they use proprietary protocols, and they don't play nicely with modern IT standards. And anyway, the guys who installed the system and really knew it inside out have moved on or retired. No, replacing these systems is impractical while they're still running. Not only because of the cost of the new system, but also the cost of the disruption and the lost productivity that happens during the changeover period. So the primary focus of the organisation is simply to keep these systems running, rather than to on-develop or upgrade them. You'll think about the industrial IoT when you have your next refresh cycle in a few years' time, right? Wrong. What if there is a way to get raw data from these systems without modifying them or disrupting their operation, and to turn that into event-driven, actionable information that can be directly consumed by enterprise IT systems? Well, there is. Most industrial IoT protocol gateways expect to be the protocol master, which means in many cases the current SCADA master would have to be switched off. Oops, there goes your revenues again. SmartSwarm 351 is different. Simply connect it to the communication lines between your existing SCADA master and remotes, and it passively listens to the interactions between them. From this, it's able to gather all of the raw data that the SCADA system sees. Once it gets the data, then it transforms it into formats that IT systems can use directly. It enriches the data, so what was PLC 31 register 40,003 has a value of 2074 for the SCADA system becomes production line 1 hydraulic pressure 5 bar for the IT system. It doesn't need to know anything about the underlying SCADA architecture or protocols, as the information sent to it is self-describing. SmartSwarm also provides event triggers so that only significant information is sent, not a constant stream of valueless repetitive data. You don't get the same temperature data the SCADA samples every 5 seconds. You only get it when it changes significantly or exceeds a threshold, etc. Data is presented using the IT-friendly JSON format using MQTT transport, so it's easily consumed by most platforms. The gateway uses Ethernet or an integrated cellular connection for its data handoff, and supports VPN operation and encryption for security. So to recap, if you want to use legacy SCADA data more widely within your organization, but you don't want to rip out your old SCADA systems, here's what you do. Drop a SmartSwarm 351 onto the comms lines of your legacy SCADA system. Configure the enrichment data for the points you're interested in. Configure any triggers you want to filter out repetitive low-value readings. Start using the information to give you a competitive advantage. It's industrial IoT made easy.